Hi, I'm Tim from SARIS, and in this video I'm going to take you through everything you need to know about trailer tyres. Come on with me. Tyres might seem like a simple part, but they're actually the most important part of the trailer because they're the only point of contact with the road surface. So those tyres are really important and need to be checked properly before you set off. What should you be looking out for? Check the general condition of the tyre, right? Make sure there are no cracks, dents or holes in it. In this case, of course, there aren't any. How old is the tyre? You can find that out from the production day. The production date is 4 digits shown together here. In this case, 0222 means the second week of 2022. So it's still a nice new tyre. Is the tyre older than 6 years? Then we recommend replacing the tyre. Partly because the rubber may have started to dry out. Of course, there's also the tread depth. You can check that by running your finger along the tread. Then you can feel whether it's still deep enough. And the tyre pressure is also very important. And the tyre pressure, there's a recommended pressure from SARIS, which is shown on the sticker at the front. For that, we just need to know the size of the wheel. In this case, 165, 70 and 13. So let's have a look at how much pressure it needs. We've now moved to the front of the trailer where we find the sticker with the information about the tyre pressure. In this case, 165, 70 and 13. Well, as you can read on the sticker, they need to be inflated to 2.8 bar. So make sure that all your tyres, including the spare wheel if it's fitted, are properly set to that tyre pressure. If you're not going to use your trailer for an extended period, for example longer than 3 months, we recommend raising your trailer slightly off the ground and rotating the tyres every 3 months. Is that not possible? Then inflate your tyres about half a bar to a full bar higher before storing it and try to move it slightly every 3 months. Now you know pretty much everything important about your tyres and you can hit the road safely. After all, we don't say it for nothing, SARIS works for you.